At this point in the pandemic, researchers and medical analysts are looking closer at the position parents hold when it comes to deciding whether or not to get their kids vaccinated and what's influencing their decisions. Alex Love recently spoke with a research team, doctors, and parents about where New Yorkers stand as a whole all together. He's live now with more insight. Alex.
The latest data from the Department of Health, Isabel, shows 75% of New Yorkers who are eligible to be vaccinated are fully vaccinated. But that number drops significantly when you get down to the 5 through 17 age group. A new study from an insurance platform, Quote Wizard, shows just why parents are still skeptical to get their kids vaccinated. Research led by Nick Vinzant with Quote Wizard discovered across New York, parents are most concerned about side effects, with 57% not willing to vaccinate their kids yet because of that. The next top categories were those who wanted to wait and see if it's safe or don't trust the vaccine at all.
The thing that surprised me the most was that a lot of people were saying that they weren't getting vaccinated because of side effects. But then when they were asked, well, did you have any side effects? 0.0% in most states said that they had side effects.
No matter what age group you're in, serious side effects from all coronavirus vaccines approved in the U.S. are rare. Dr. Stephen Schultz, a pediatric medical director with Rochester Regional Health, breaks down how catching COVID can be much worse than vaccine side effects.
The side effects are really the same as any other immunization. A little bit of localized arm soreness, redness, swelling, perhaps, maybe some fatigue or fever for a day or two. And even for those 12 and up, the risk of myocarditis is extremely small. It's far more likely of getting myocarditis from getting COVID infection itself.
Data from the Department of Health shows minors in the Finger Lakes region make up the lowest age group amongst those who are fully vaccinated. We spoke to parents who explained to us how they made the decision to vaccinate their children.
We discussed with our doctor, as you would normally want to do, to make sure the welfare of your kids is taken care of, and she suggested strongly that to get them vaccinated would be a good thing.
My husband is actually an emergency doctor, and so he saw a lot of things in the hospital, and so we just chose to vaccinate just to protect ourselves, to give us, an extra layer of protection.
And when you speak to people who are still skeptical about getting their kids vaccinated, doctors advise you take the time to listen to their concerns and not shame them for it, then help guide them to talk to their doctor and trusted scientific research to help educate them why they should do it. Live in Rochester, Alex Love, News 8.
All right, thank you, Alex. And compared to the national average in the study by Quote Wizard, New Yorkers were higher in categories of not trusting the vaccine and not believing their kids need it.